Hello, boys and girls. Today we're just going to go over our letters and sounds. Repeat after me. The letter is P. The sound is P. Very soft sound. The letter is F. The sound is F. You want to put your teeth on your bottom lip and blow. All right, next letter. The letter is L. The sound is L. Yeah, you want to put your tongue at the roof of your mouth. Ooh. All right. The letter is O. The sound is ah. Great job. As if you're at the dentist or something, right? The letter is M. Say it louder. The letter is M. The sound is like good. The letter is S. The sound is S, like a snake. The letter is I. The sound is I. Great job, guys. All right, let me hear you. Say it louder. The letter is D. The sound is D. D. The letter is N. The sound is N. The letter is R. The sound is R. All right, let me hear you. Repeat after me. The letter is Y. The sound is Y. The letter is Q. The sound is Q. Q. The letter is Z. The sound is Z. Great job. I hear you. Great job. Repeat after me. The letter is V. The sound is V. Again, you want to put your teeth on the bottom of your lip and blow. V. The letter is H. The sound is like you're blowing hot breath. Great job. The letter is J. The sound is J. J. Great job. The letter is B. The sound is B. B. The letter is T. The sound is T. T. Remember, we don't want to put T because it's not an A at the end. It's just T. Great job. The letter is K. The sound is K. The letter is X. The sound is X. Awesome job, boys and girls. All right, here we go. The letter is A. The sound is eh, like apple. The letter is C. The sound is K. Great job. The letter is U. The sound is ah. Now with the U, I like to have fun with that. It's because I want you to kind of go up with your voice. I kind of remind you to go ah. Yes. Ah, ah, ah. Good job. Sound like a choir. All right, here we go. The letter is E. The sound is eh. Eh, like egg. The letter is W. The sound is W. W. All right, last letter. The sound, I'm sorry, not the sound, but the letter is G. The sound is G. G. Great job, boys and girls. That was our letters. I hope you have a totally amazing day. Goodbye.